hold up, Mrs. Your Diva, Mrs. Your Overachiever, perfect picture Mona Lisa, then she got it and I see ya. You know she be vibing, she's the money in the wallet, she ain't never tripping about it.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my skin is like horrible. I was having like a bad breakout during this time of filming this video. But my skin is back and better than ever, okay? So let's jump right on in. So this is basically gonna be an eyebrow as well as an eyeliner and how I apply my lashes tutorial. So for this video, I am using a Morphe eyebrow brush, sorry. And usually I would be using my Anastasia dip brow pomade in the color Ebony, but I wasn't able to find it, but I did find it, thank God, because I was like flipping out about it. Anyways, so as you can see, I'm brushing my brows and just grooming them a little bit. Since we have been in quarantine, I haven't been able to get my eyebrows done. I usually would get them threaded, but supposedly the place is open, but I'm still not trusting that. I'm gonna wait. So, but right here, I'm filling in my eyebrows. And I like to take my time with it. Like when I do my eyebrows, I like to go for more of a like natural look. I don't want my eyebrows like too much, too dark, too boxy, or looking too crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other brow. That one looked okay, but you'll see what I'll add more to it. It's not completely finished. And I always have a hard time in a way like matching my brows. Like as they say, they're not twins, they're sisters. So I try to do my best with making sure they at least look somewhat similar, if not to a T. And I'm doing the same thing on this brow, just brushing, strokes going the same way as my natural eyebrows, so that way I have more of that natural look. And then right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a brush to define my brows and to clean up any leftover from doing my brows. So I'm just using the concealer to clean up my brows. Also, the concealer that I was using in this video again is one of my faves, which is the KOKIE Be Bright concealer. And one thing I also realized about my brows is that for some reason it seems like my left side is higher than my right side arch. I don't know. I mean, it's just what I noticed. You guys let me know if you guys see the same thing. And I'm going in and cleaning up my brows with a concealer brush. And then I'm going to go in with my Essence Brow Gel to define my brows a little bit more. Hey, get it? Hey. Okay, that's enough. And then right here, I'm going to be using another angled brush to do my eyeliner. And the eyeliner that I used would be linked in the description box again, because I'm not sure which one it was. And I know I went in with this, but for some reason this wasn't working out for me. So I did end up going in with the eyeliner pen to correct. But I do believe, I think it was like EYEKO. An EYEKO eyeliner pen. I don't know. Anyways, it'll be linked in the description box. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. And I also apply it to my bottom lashes as well. And for this video, we are going to be doing our lashes. So the lashes I am using are the ARDELL Naked Lashes. Don't worry about the glue that's left over. That will completely dry up and it will be clear. So you would not be able to see it once it dries. Also, one thing to note is when you are applying your lashes, be sure that what I like to do is I like to squeeze both my real lashes as well as my fake lashes together once they are applied on my eye, just to make sure that they blend in well. And I will go in and also make sure that they are lifted together correctly and that everything looks good, because you want your lashes, your real lashes and your fake ones, to look like they're yours, basically. Alright, and that was the end of my video. If you guys like this look, here's the finished look. If you guys like this look, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys would like to see in my next video. Have an amazing rest of the day, and thank you for watching.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, you a queen, baby. You cute and you smart, baby. You play your part, baby. Work up hard, baby. You got it, baby. She staying down talking 10 toes. And when she got it, man, she give you no name, no number, not even even the combo, yeah. Shawty the shit, and I swear she on the shit.